Use of under, behind, in front of and near. We use under to talk about something that is below or lower than something else. The cat is under the table. His shoes were under his bed. We use behind to talk at or to the back of someone or something. Close the door behind you. The warehouse is behind the store. We use in front of to tell where something is located. A police car was parked in front of the house. The kids were fighting in front of the teacher. The cow is in front of the truck. We use near when something is not far away in distance. I left the box near the door. The cat won't go near fire. The ball is under the chair. The toy is behind the box. The flower is near the vase. The rabbit is behind the tree. The elephant is behind the tree. The boy is in front of snowman. The rat is under the table. The sheep is standing under the tree. The cup is behind the bowl. The teacher is standing in front of the students. The bucket is under the tap. The books are behind the bag. The post office is near my house. The car is parked in front of the building. The bat is under the table. The kids are sitting in front of TV. The kittens are napping under the blanket. There is a park near my school.